Building upon tradition and innovation, the new Caterpillar G-Series 2 wheel loaders. The Caterpillar 950, 962, 966, and 972 G2s perform well in face excavation and aggregates, truck and hopper loading, and general duty utility work. The G-Series 2 lineup offers owners and operators improvements in performance, operator comfort and efficiency, durability, and serviceability. This video is divided into 5 sections: safety, a walk-around inspection, operator station and controls, operating techniques, and machine shutdown. Before you operate any machine, you need to read and understand the safety and operating information provided in the Operation and Maintenance Manual. Keep in mind, this video does not replace that manual. Safety precautions and warnings are provided in the manual and at various locations on the machine. Start your walk-around inspection at the left rear of the machine. Unlock and open the left side service door to access the main electrical disconnect. Be sure that the disconnect is turned off and the key is removed. This prevents someone else from starting the machine while you're in their blind spot. The optional jump start receptacle is located here. The radiator sight gauge lets you check the engine coolant level. On the 950 and 962, you view this from the right side. At the back of the machine, notice the location of the fuel fill. On the 950 and 962, this is on the left side. Make sure the fill cap is secured. Make sure you look at the radiator area. Inspect the radiator, including cores, grill, and hoses. Move around to the right side service door. Check the engine oil using the dipstick and add oil if needed. The lockable toolbox is here. And inside, you'll find the electronic switch for the tilting hood. There is also a ground-level shutdown switch. Continue your walk-around by checking the right rear tire. Look for cuts and loose wheel bolts. Check for proper air pressure. Locate the hydraulic sight gauge, checking the fluid level. Add hydraulic oil if necessary.